Hi there, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Hope life is treating you well. Thank you for watching this clip on how to find conic equations for dummies. This is part 4 of 4. In this clip, we are working on ellipse, what we call the smart one. The reason we call it smart one is because ellipse and circle have it all together, versus the parabolas are half-wit. They're opened up. And the parabolas is the rebel. Okay, actually broken into 2 pieces, literally. All right, so we're working with the smart ones. The thing that's important about ellipse, of course, is the major and minor axis. So where we're given where a center is, so let's set it up. Here's x, y. Let's make our job easier. X minus 1. The reason is when you set x minus 1 equal to 0, you should get x equal to 1. Okay, so that's how you switch the signs. Divided by a constant, we don't know what yet. Add, its adding sign is what keeps the ellipse and circles smart. And y is going to be plus 1 equal to this whole thing equal to 1. Okay, so our job is basically find the a's and b's over here. If you want to be more accurate, it's a squared, b squared, and put it in there. Now, we were given with 4 vertices, which means a picture worth 1,000 words. We've got to draw all of them out. So the center is 1 and minus 1. So I'm going to dot on myself with the center. And then I have 1 and 4. So here's 1 and 4. And then I have 1 at minus 6. 1 at minus 6. So the distance between here is 10. Okay, 10 divided by 2. A equal to 5. Now it doesn't really matter you want to call it A or B, so long you know the major axis here is 5. Okay. Now we want to make sure this is the larger one before we're putting in the x or y. Okay. Let's find the other one, 4 and minus 1. So that's here, 4 and minus 1, and I have another one that's on this side, minus 2 minus 1. The distance between those two, if you know, this is 4 minus minus 2, which is 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. That's called B. Okay, so along axis it's a little smaller. Now let's exaggerate it a little bit so the curve look like elongated along y-axis. So I'm going to put a bigger number over here. So the bigger number goes with the y-axis here, because the 5 is along y, so I'm going to put a big number on y. Smaller one goes with this way because along x-axis I only have a unit of 3. So actually, let's put the square in there. So it's 5 squared, 3 squared. All right, now one more time. Now before actually we go one more time, let's have a math break. My kids are watching Sound of Music, so the sound is stuck in my head. Here's a whole bunch of dummies. I always want to sing, I am 16, going on 17. All right, got you stressed out. Okay, back to math. So the y-axis here, I have a longer distance. That's why I put a longer distance here into my y variable over there, and a shorter distance went over there. So all we have to do now is just simplify it one more time. X minus 1 squared divided by 3 squared. Let's just leave it in there. Plus, this is the smart one. I get it all together. Y plus 1 squared over 5 squared. This is equal to 1. And here's the equation for our ellipse. All right, that's how we handle this type of problems. Once again, from Tucson, Arizona, this is Dr. Pan, making learning math fun, at least trying to. If the video has been helpful, I would appreciate a comment or a thumb up. Until next time, have a confident day.